Hello students. Now today we are going to learn about the division. What is division? Division is nothing but the equal sharing and equal grouping. For example, I have 36 marbles. I have to distribute these 36 marbles among my 6 friends. So what I will do? I will divide 36 by 6. So each will get 6 marbles. That means division is nothing but the equal sharing and equal grouping. And this division is denoted by this sign, division sign. And when we are doing the long method, that time we are using this sign. Every operation has its own properties. Multiplication properties we have seen, addition properties we have seen, and subtraction properties we have seen. Same like that, division also has its own properties. Now what are the properties of division that we will learn today? Properties of division. First property, multiplication and division are related with each other. Now each multiplication fact has two division facts. How? Let's see. If I have written 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. Now these two factors, when multiplied by each other, we get the product 30. Now if the product divided by first factor, we will get the second factor. Another one, if the product divided by the second factor, we will get the first factor. Now this is the first property, that multiplication and division are related. Second property, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 6 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6. 25 divided by 25 will get quotient 1. Then 625 divided by 625, the quotient will be 1. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Third property, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient will be number itself. For example, 65 divided by 1, the quotient will be number itself. If you are taking 3 digits divided by 1, will get number itself. Fourth property, 0 is divided by any number, the answer will be 0. For example, I have 0 chocolates. I have to distribute these chocolates among the 16 students. So how much they will get? They will get 0, because I don't have any chocolates. I have 0 chocolates, so they will get 0. They will not get any chocolate. That means 0 divided by any number, the quotient will be 0. In class 4, we learn 4 digit divided by 1 digit and 4 digit divided by 2 digit. In this class also, we have to follow the same method of dividing as we have done in class 4th. But now we are going to divide 5 digit by 2 digit. But students, here the 2 digits are big numbers. So first of all, as a rough work, we will write that big number table. We will make the table and we will write it one side. We learned the properties of division. Now we will see the concepts of long division. Now for that we should know what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient, and what is remainder. For example, I have taken 49 divided by 6. Now what is 49? The number which get divided is called dividend. So 49 is dividend. Now the number, here 6 is there. The number which get dividing divided by another number which divided another number is called divisor. Now how to solve it? Now in the table of 6 we have to see 49 is there or not, or you can see the less number than 49. Now 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. So 54 is more than 49. So the small number than that is 48. 6 8s are 48. You can say that 48. Before that all the numbers are smaller than 49. That is also correct. If you are taking the smaller number than this, we can check 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Take 6 7s are 42. Now we will subtract this. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now students, here the remainder is 7. But we are having a rule that in the division, remainder is less than divisor. But the 7 is greater than divisor, greater than 6. So this is not possible. Now for that, the small number than 49 in the table of 6 is 6 8s are 48. Now we will subtract this 1 0. Now this 1 is the remainder. What is remainder? The leftover number is called remainder. Now here one example is there. 18,325 divided by 36. Now divided by 36, the divisor is a big number. So we don't know the table of 36. So I make the table of 36 by multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number multiplied by 9 and number multiplied by 10. Like this I make a table of 36. Now students, let's take this 5 digit as a dividend and 36 is a divisor. Now what is the first step? Now you have to see 36. If 2 digit is there, first of all we will see this 2 digit. Now this 2 digit 18 is less than 36. So we will take 3 digit. Now 183 is there in the table. No, it is not there in the table. So we will see less than this number. Just less than this number, because we learn that we have to take a smaller number just than the given number. Now here we are having 183. Less than this number is 180. That means 36 5s are 180. 36 5s are 180. Now we will subtract this. 3 and 18 minus 18 is 0. Now next we will take the number down, that is 2. Now again 32 is small number than 36. So what we will take? We will take 0 and we will subtract the 0 from this. We will get the same number. If you are skip these steps, that is also correct. Now we will take the another number as 5. Now we will see 325 is there in the table. If it is not there in the table, we will see the just smaller than this number in the table. It is 288. 36 9s are 324. This is smaller than the given number. That means 36 9s are 324. Now 1 0 0. Now What is 1? 1 is the remainder. This 5 digit is dividend. And 5 digit to which we are dividing, by which number this 5 digit dividing by 36, that is divisor. And the answer which we get in division is called quotient. Now this is the long division method. Whether this division is correct or not, for that we will check it by multiplication. Now to check this, we will write the formula. The formula is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. You will get dividend. Now what is quotient? Quotient is 509 multiplied by divisor is 36 plus remainder is 1. Now let's see whether we are getting this same dividend or not. For this we will start doing this. We will rub this because we don't have space here. I will start the multiplication one side. That means 509 multiplied by 36. 6 9s are 54. 5 will be here. Then 6 zeros are 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. We cut it with the multiplying with the tens place. So 30 multiplying by 30, we are writing 1 0 here. 3 9s are 27. 2 carry. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 3 5s are 15. 4 12, 1 carry, 3 8 1. So the multiplication of this is 18,324, and we have to add 1 in this. That means we are getting 18,325. So what is this? This is nothing but the dividend. Now see, this 5 digit divided by 80. Now making the table of 80 is very easy. First of all, write the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are 80. This is the table of 8. To make the table of 80, we will put 0 at the right of the number. So this becomes the table of 80. Okay. Now let's start with this. Given number, we'll take this dividend inside. Divisor is 80. Now we will start dividing. 2 digit is there, so we will see the first 2 digits, that is 82. So 82 is greater than 80. So 81s are 80. So we will subtract this. 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now next 0 we will take. Now 20. At a time we can't take 2 digits. So 1 digit we will take. So we have taken the 0 down. Now 20 is there in the table? No, because it is less than 80. So we will put 0 and we will subtract 0 from it. Now we will take the another number down. Now we are having 200. Now let's see 200 is there or not. If it is not there, we will see the less than 200, just less than 200. So which number is there? 82s are 160. Now we will subtract this. 4 0. Now we will take the another number down. 6. We will take 6 down. Okay. Now we will see the smaller than this number is 80. 85s are 400. We are having 6 here. Now 6 is remainder. This is dividend. 80 is divisor. and the answer which comes is called quotient. Now let's see this long division is correct or not. For this we will use the method of checking by multiplication. That quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder will get dividend. What is quotient? 1025. What is divisor? 80 and the remainder is 6. Now we will check it. Now first of all we will multiply quotient and divisor. 1025 multiplied by 80. Now multiplying by 0 is always 0, so no need to do this. For that we will do the tens place. Now multiplying by 80, so we will write 10 here and we will multiply the 8 by given number. 8 5 is 40, 4 carry. 8 2 is 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 8 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 1 is 8. Now the given product is 82,000 and we have to add 6 in this, means we will get 82,006. What is that? That is our dividend. The dividend is same. So now see the another example. 3700 divided by 35, that we will divide it and after that we will check it by multiplication. Now 35 again is the big number. So first of all we will make the table of 35 by multiplying it with the table of 1. We will get the table of 35. Okay students, now we will start it. 67,000 divided by 35. Now we will take 2 digit first because the table is of 2 digit number. So we will see the 2 digit number first of all. Now 67. 67, now see, is there in the table or less than that number? Now 35 2s are 70. Now 70 is greater than 67. So what we will take? 35 ones are 35. We'll subtract this. That will becomes 2, 3. Now we will take the next number down. Now we are having 320. Now we'll see in the table 320 is there or not there in the table. So we'll see just smaller than this number which is there. That is 315. That means 35 9s are 315. We'll subtract it. We'll get 5. 0. 0. 3 minus 3. We'll take the another number down. We get the 50. Now 50 is not there in the table. Less than that number is 35 ones are 35. Again we'll get 5 and 1. We'll take the another number. We'll get 150. Is there in the table? No, it is not there in the table. 35 5s are 175, which is greater than the given number. So we will take 35 4s are 140. Now 0 1 0. Now what is 10? 10 is the remainder. 67,000 is the dividend. Answer in the given division is called quotient. Now 35 is divisor. Now we will start checking it by multiplication. Now for that we are using the formula. Which formula we are using? Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder will get dividend. Now what is quotient? 1914 multiplied by 35 and the remainder is 10. Now we will start doing the multiplication and we will add the remainder in it. We will do it one side. What is quotient? Quotient is 1914. We will multiply it 35. Now first of all, we will multiply it with 5, which is on the ones place. So 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 9s are 45, 4 you have to write at the top of 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we will start with multiplying the given number by tens. We are multiplying it with 30, so we will write 1 0 here. Now we will multiply it 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 3s are 27, 2 you have to write here, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5, we will add it, 0, 9, 9, 16, 1 carry, 6. Now we will add, we will write this product here, 6, 6, 9, 9, 0 plus 10. When we will add it, we will get 0 plus 10, 0, 1 carry plus 10, 1 carry plus 7 and 6. This is nothing but the dividend. Now see one more example. 86,101 divided by 43. 43 again the big number, so I make the table of 43 here by multiplying it with the table of 1. We get the table of 43. Now it is very easy to solve it now. So dividend is 86,101 divided by 43. Now we'll start. It is divided by 2-digit number, so we will see the 2-digit first. Is there in the table of 86? Is there in the table of 43? Yes, it is there. 43 2s are 86. Now we'll minus it will be the 0. We'll take this number down. Now student, 1 is there. So it is less than 43. So what we will put? 0. And we will subtract 0 from it. Now we will take the another number 0. Now again, this is less than 43, so we will divide it by the 0 divided by 43. So again we will subtract it. We will get the same 10. Now we will take the another number is 101. Is there in the table of given table? 101 is not there. Less than that is again 43 2s are 86. Now we will subtract it. 1 minus 6 not possible. We will regroup the number. Okay, that becomes 5 1 0. Now 15 is the remainder. Now we have to take this by using the taking by multiplication. For that we are using the formula quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, what is the quotient? 2002 multiplies this divider. What is the divider? Divisor is 43 plus remainder is 15. Now we'll start doing this. We'll divide it. Quotient multiplied by divisor. So what we will get, we'll see here. Now we will divide it first by the ones place. 3 2s are 6, 3 0s are 0, 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6. Now multiplying with the tens place means multiplying by 40. So we are at 0 here. We will multiply it with 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 0s are 0, 4 2s are 8. We will add it. Now 6 8 0 6 8. Now this is the product of these two numbers, that is 0 8 6. Now we will add the remainder in this. Now 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry, 1, 6, 8. Now this is nothing but the dividend.